Your on-call rotation is drowning in noise. Hundreds of alerts, duplicate tickets, zero signal on what's actually about to break. What if a local pipeline could cluster all of that automatically and tell you what patterns are emerging before the incident escalates? I built IncidentLens to solve exactly that. It ingests noisy support tickets or system alerts, runs embedding-based clustering to group related events, then hands each cluster to an LLM to write a plain English risk summary. The whole pipeline runs locally. No data leaves your machine. The architecture is a thin orchestration layer over sentence transformers for embeddings, HDBSCAN for clustering, and a local LLM for summarization. This project was built by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed, with each agent handling a distinct stage of the pipeline. To run it, clone the repo, install dependencies with pip, point it at your incident CSV, and run the main script. You get cluster labels, a ranked risk report, and LLM-generated summaries, all written to a local output directory. If you're dealing with alert fatigue or want a reproducible way to triage incident streams, the repo is at github.com/ritikpaddle/IncidentLens. Give it a star if it's useful. I'm Ritik Paddle on GitHub.